All right, guys. So I know I said on the last video that was it, but we need a way to monitor our server. So we're gonna use Cockpit for this. So to install Cockpit, you run the sudo apt install, like install. Can't type. Wait, install Cockpit. Enter our password. Yes, and let's wait till it's done. Now, Cockpit is a really neat feature. Instead of you logging into the terminal to see how things are going all the time, you can just launch a web browser and you'll be fine. I mean, not be fine, but you know what I mean. You can monitor it. So I'm gonna pause this video till this is done. Alright, now Cockpit is done. So you wanna run an update. I'm pretty sure by now, you have after you installing the package, to update your server to see if there's anything new. And let's see. Uh, so release file for the archive. Yeah, those are errors that I'll look onto later. But after you install, you want to enable the firewall for that. And I like uncomplicated firewall UFW. So we're gonna allow the cockpit port, which is 9090/TCP. Now, if this is used, if you try this and it tells you, okay, wait, this is used, you can always use 443. But visit cockpitproject.org and you can find all the documentation for Cockpit. So now you're gonna know how to monitor your server, right? If you go to your browser, I can't find my mouse. All right, there we go. What you need to do is just go to https colon // the IP of the server, which was what, 41. Okay, 90909090. You'll get this not secure connection. Let's go to advanced, add exception, confirm security, and here you go. You log into your Ubuntu. So use your username like we created. We created a Bob username, then enter the password. And voila, here you are in your server that you just created, and it's way easier to monitor your server from here. As you can see, I'm running it on VirtualBox, so if you're running it on a physical machine, it'll be helpful. I just use VirtualBox just because it's helpful. So under logs, you can see your logs, see who attempted to, you know, log into your computer or whatever errors are there. Storage, you get to see all your disks. That's my root disk. It's not full yet. This is my other disk that we added for configuring our media share. Go to networking. You see the sending and the receiving. Right now there's nothing going on. If you go to accounts, you can create a new account for any user that you want. You can also go to services and see what services are running. So see if we can see Samba or Plex. Okay, Samba. Let's see that one. This network manager is inactive, but Samba is running. Plex media server for Linux, it's active and running. You guys get the idea. There's also a terminal here. You can run your commands here, but it's not a fully fledged terminal for security reasons. So you can run your commands right there. And on the dashboard you can see your CPU, see what's going on your computer. You can check your memory, you can also check your network and what's running on the disk. So what's running on the disk. So that's it. That's how you can monitor your server. And I need to configure this so I don't have to use my IP address, but for now IP address is fine. I need to edit my hosts file so I can name this my media server. Alright guys, that's it for this setting up your media series. I will see you in the next one using the command line. Thank you and have a good one.